This Nankhatai recipe takes the classic shortbread cookie experience to the next level,
Yum.
offering a crumbly, melt-in-your-mouth texture that is not only richer and more aromatic, but also brings a nutritious edge with its wholesome ingredients. Here is the traditional Indian Nankhatai recipe my friend Nadee sent me.
To make Nankhatai cookies, combine 1 cup or 120 grams of all-purpose flour and half a cup or 60 grams of besan chickpea flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder directly into the sieve. Then, give the ingredients a good mix before sifting them into a mixing bowl. Next, sift 1 cup or 125 grams of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and also 2 tablespoons of semolina and sift them into a mixing bowl also. Give the ingredients another good mix and then add half a cup of room temperature ghee. Gently mix the dry ingredients with the ghee using your fingers until the texture becomes crumbly. Do not add any water or milk to the mixture. Instead, use the heat of your fingers to bring the dough together. This process should take about 5 minutes for the dough to start coming together. If it does not, add extra ghee about 1 teaspoon at a time until you get a smooth, firm and pliable dough. Use your hands to shape the dough into equal-sized small balls and place them on the baking tray covered with the parchment paper and leave a space between each cookie. Use your finger to press a small hole in the middle of each cookie and decorate each Nankhatai with an almond or pistachio. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes till the edges of the cookies turn slightly golden brown and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Take the cookies out of the oven and let them cool on the baking tray for about 5 to 10 minutes before moving them on the plate.
If you liked this sweet, rich, and buttery Nankhatai cookie recipe, you will love trying out this 140-year-old recipe for date-filled oat cookies. Don't miss out on this delicious treat. Check it out here.